Oh, Monday 29th June 2026 at 15:49, the 1550 is Monroe service from Lincoln Central to Peterborough. Due to more trains needing repairs than usual, services to Lincoln Central and Peterborough on Saturday were cancelled. Only 2 ran. For 7515.
Peterborough.
Well, Tuesday the 13th of June, which is the last day of June, somehow. Why did time go Tuesday? Mum was trying to go over if she got it from like. Off they go! $15.56 to $15.56 Eastwood Row is also not enough to gain less, which is 402 coaches today.
Oh no.
Yeah, I don't know why they decided to get rid of 847
What do you mean get rid?
from the service.
Skegness, that packed.
Apparently so. So it was worse at Grantham with the 0855 service being underperformed on the return journey to Nottingham, where basically nobody could even get on.
This is the furthest level crossing I've gone down the Poacher line.
What? Here?
Yeah. I haven't gone anywhere near. Even
Don't forget
Heckington.
about West.
Yeah, I mean down that way, down Skegness way.
Oh.
I've been to Grantham and Nottingham.
Yeah, but you didn't go to Colwick level crossing though.
Where's that?
Near Nottingham?
Well, no, because I went straight to Leicester.
Oh, of course you did. Wolf of 8, 783. It's missing this thread. Wolf of 8, 847. Power is getting less than people that far. We need to detach all of them now. It's getting less. Yeah, it's deeply missing its thread 847 and Lincoln Castle Explorer. Don't think you meant to go past the red light, mate.